Hello geocachers, treasure hunters and thrill seekers. I'm out having a paddle this morning on the Leeds Liverpool Canal and there's a geocache on this route I'm gonna go and have a look for. Well, let's go! Now according to the app it's about 1.2 kilometres away. It's called Canal House, just in the Kirkstall area of Leeds. Let's do this. Looks like there's a golf course up that way. About 720 metres away. Now I am intrigued, have any of you guys done ones that are water-based geocaches where you actually need a boat? If you have, let me know where they are, where you've been. Let me know in the comments. I do like the idea of combining more than one pastime. Quite a nice day for it today, some nice reflections in the water. A little bit of a breeze whipping up at the minute. But nevertheless, it's lovely. Look, that is up there. Right, just shy of 400 metres away. That willow's going to look nice, isn't it, when it's in full leaf? Now according to the app we're about 145 metres away and I think you can see it's just on yon side of a bridge, and if you look up there, there is a bridge just about there. Can you see it now? There it is. Not far to go. Now according to the app, I've kind of gone past it. I got a bit carried away there exploring down here. Yeah, I was quite fascinated down here, so I need to go back. For some reason the app is playing up and I can't get a precise speed on the location because as soon as I zoom in, the image disappears. And it's weird because I've got full reception, so I don't know what's going on here. But I'm going to have to get out and have a nosy, aren't I? Just abandon the boat. I could have picked a less muddy spot to get out. Found it, found it, found it. Awesome. Well, I can't say I've signed it, logged it and popped it back because the log was full. So what I've done is I've taken a photograph of the find and sent that to the CO so that there's some proof that I did actually find it. Hope you like this little adventure on the water today. I've been having a bit of fun, so it's been alright. You know what to do about liking, subscribing, smashing bells and all that kind of stuff if you want to. If you're not interested, I don't even know you got this far if you're not interested. Alright, you take care of yourself. Thanks for watching. Cheerio.